Welcome guys in this new lecture of image processing using OpenCV and Python. In previous lecture we saw how to read a webcam feed. The input was video and we learned how to read a webcam input frame by frame. Now in today's lecture we are going to convert that video input into grayscale. So let me create a new Python file here and I am naming it read underscore from underscore webcam 2.py, and I'll be needing this entire code, so let me just copy and paste it here. Okay, so now what I need, I'll be getting the frames from the webcam. I need to convert it into grayscale. So OpenCV provide me with a function that is called cvt color. Again, just look at the capital C of color, and then we have to pass the frame, and again we have to use another function provided by CV, that is color underscore bgr, and when you write bgr you will get number of options as you can see here, and our area of interest is this bgr to gray. Okay, so this will convert my colored frame into grayscale, and then I just need to display it. So this will be gray in lowercase, and that's it. So this is a very simple function, this is a very simple program, and what it will do, it will convert the colored frame into grayscale. There are numerous operations in which you need to convert your colored image into grayscale, because colored image, colored video obviously takes more space and they are bit complicated. So this is how you can convert the colored image. And that's it for this lecture, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.